Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add images to Roblox Studio. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and right click right here, click on insert part or part. Okay, here we have it. You can make it bigger if you want to. If not, just leave it as is. Okay, so once that's done, go to find your part right here. As you can see, we have the appearance section. By the way, we're not going to touch it yet. Hover over part and there will be a plus sign right here. Okay, besides the object or part, okay, go to plus sign and we are going to add in a decal. Decal, there you go. Under appearance, here we have it. Now go ahead and select the section where you wanted to add the decal. Say, for example, right here at the very top. So just click on it. Make sure that it is highlighted. And then once that's done, just open up your web browser and find roblox.com. And then go ahead over to create right here. Wait for it and find creations in the left panel. Once you click on creations, development items will be available right here at the very top. So just click on it and then click on decals. Wait for it. As you can see here, I do have a asset right here, but just go ahead and upload your own asset. Upload. It will open up your file explorer. So just go ahead and find a photo. Let's say I'm going to upload this picture right here. And then once that's done, just go to scroll all the way down and click on upload. You can rename the description right here if you want to as well. And the name as well. Okay. So just wait for the process to finish, scroll down, check your uploaded file. You can just click on the three dots right here and then click on copy asset ID. All right. And then once that's done, minimize the browser, go back to Roblox Studio. And here we have color map content. So just click on it, paste the copied ID or asset ID, and then just hit on enter. Okay. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you should be good to go. As you can see here. Here we now have, our image. Okay, that is how you add images to Roblox Studio. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.